Hi there, I'm G, and welcome to Cozymeal Studios. Today we have an amazing recipe that is the perfect start to any day. We are making pesto eggs. Fresh eggs are cooked on a bed of pesto and served on a slice of crisp toast and creamy mashed avocado. It is a classic avocado toast taken to another level with herb-packed nutty pesto. This recipe is truly one of my favorites. So, let's get cooking. But before we begin, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and turn on that notification bell for more recipes from us. To get started, we are going to measure and prep all the ingredients. Then, in a small non-stick skillet over medium heat, place 2 tablespoons of walnut pesto. If you're looking for a pesto recipe, then check out our walnut pesto recipe at cozymeal.com. We will have that linked above and down below. Alternatively, if you're in a pinch, you could just use the pesto that you have on hand. Once the pesto is in the pan, take a spatula and spread it out evenly. Then, when the pesto starts to shimmer, crack 1 egg into each mound and cook to your desired doneness. When cooking eggs, try to use fresher eggs when possible for better presentation. Fresher eggs tend to have firmer whites and they usually spread less. After a couple of minutes, your eggs should be ready and you can remove them from the heat. Next, take 2 slices of toast. On each slice of toasted bread, spread mashed avocado. If you don't have avocado, then you can use a layer of creamy whipped ricotta and a drizzle of honey instead. This would be the perfect substitution. Or you can make 1 toast with avocado and 1 with ricotta. Or at least that's what I like to do. Then finally, season the avocado with salt and pepper. Then place 1 pesto egg onto each slice of bread and top with red pepper flakes and enjoy. If you want the full recipe, then check out the description box below, or head to cozymeal.com/recipes, where you will certainly find this recipe and so much more. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe for more recipes from Cozymeal Studios. And I don't know about you, but I'm so excited to see what is coming up next. See you again soon.